Okay, folks, today we got a nice Lincoln 2016. It's the MKX. It's the Premier. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Loaded up, leather, power seats. Really sharp Lincoln. We got some tin on the windows. Got your rear controls back there, power seats, passenger side as well. Well, I thought we popped the hood, but evidently we didn't. There's the roof of it. Ford's always moving around these handles. Everything looks good, sounds good here. Of course, Bluetooth, you know, Microsoft Sync, auxiliary, input, all that good stuff. Push button start. 93,000 miles. Let's put it in gear. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like a dash light's flickering. They're not. It's just where the light reflects. Everything shoots out like it should. Drive smooth. Drive straight. Auxiliary inputs right now. It's a Lincoln, it drives smooth. Excuse me. Alright, folks, a couple more looks around the interior. Really nice Lincoln. If we're going to help you anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautoSale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.